Who deports hundreds of children in the middle of the night on a holiday weekend? What is wrong with you? I worked with a lot of unaccompanied kids over the years. Many of them, 90% of them have relatives here in the United States. They fled something dangerous in their country. They're coming here to reunite with a relative. And the Trump administration has gone after this group of children in various ways. They have taken away the funding for representation of these kids. They've made it harder for these kids to reunite with their relatives. They make it more dangerous for the relatives to step forward because they go after the relatives. I am on the board of an organization that has had a project called Reunite, where we specifically reunite these kids with their families. And that project has been going for years. We had to shut that project down because we had no funding. I mean, this is real on the ground. And so these are kiddos who are essentially in like a federal foster care system until they can be reunited with their relatives in the United States. And because the Trump administration revoked all their legal funding, these kids also are like kind of going at it alone in the legal system. Many of them qualify for protections to stay here, like special immigrant juvenile visas, asylum. Like there's lots of ways for these kids to stay here. Well, in the middle of the night, I mean, this is why you have to start thinking like, I wonder if they knew they were doing something wrong. In the middle of the night, on Labor Day weekend, on Sunday, the Trump administration loads hundreds of these children onto planes and like actually has them on the tarmac ready to take off to be deported. Shameful move on the part of the Trump administration. Who deports hundreds of children in the middle of the night on a holiday weekend? What is wrong with you if you are doing that? And like to all these people who work for these agencies, like if you're not the decision maker, but you are wearing a uniform and you are ushering these children onto a plane, quit your job already. Like no job is worth doing what you're doing, abusing human rights, becoming the worst of humanity. ICE agents, quit your job. I know morale is terrible. It's been reported on, and they're having a hard time hiring people because they're reaching out to teenagers to fill their ranks at ICE. Like if you work in ICE, if you work in CBP, and you're being asked to do things that don't sit right with you, quit. Quit, go public. Seriously, quit your job, do a video on social media, be like, my name's Kate, I work for ICE, they wanted me to do these horrible things, I'm not doing it, I quit my job and now I don't have a job, who wants to hire me? Guess what? That video would go viral and you would have thousands of job offers. Legit. Like, be brave, do the thing, step away.